Alright, so what we're doing here today, we're gonna put on a K&N cold air intake from, of course, Kake. From the one and only Ken. Removing the big old hill. Yeah, look, as you can see here, we have good extendos right there. Look at that extendo.
Bro, this extendo's mad long.
Oh, wow. I mean, you can see. Oh, you're gonna take it out now?
I guess, right? Or not?
Up to you.
I don't know.
I say we take one by one off.
Alright. But I don't think this can come. I think this comes off if I take this. Ooh, what the fuck is that? That's connected to it.
Oh, yeah.
Put in a bonus. Okay. That's like a 10 millimeter, probably, right?
Yeah, 10 millimeters, so it'll be right there.
Bonus.
So, yeah, we're gonna be removing this part. Wait, this part down, right? This part down, or is it from up here?
Yeah, all the way.
So, we're gonna remove it from this part down. Then we're gonna have a cone, right? Like a cone. Is it red or orange?
It's right up picture.
Or possibly a red cone. Well, yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is your brake fluid. You got more than max fucking brake fluid. I gotta check mine actually.
That's what my
Hey guys that try to do the deep voice. Yo.
Hey, yo.
Yo. No, man, what happened?
Bro, I need one of those machines, bro.
No. Wait, doesn't your dad have some of them?
I don't know, bro. I want to get my own. Alright. And how do I guess I have to take those over there, right?
Wait, you don't want to take these off?
I mean, they can't really come out. They're or nothing.
You're right. Big old clit goes next. Oh, that thing. The big old... The mangina goes first. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
Imagine.
I think it goes...
Oh, come on, you little bitch. I need to take that hose out.
I think it's you just... Yeah, no, So, according to my calculations, I guess, like...
Bullshit right here is bullshit.
Bullshit. My hands.
Oh, yeah.
My dick just got burned.
Oh, yo, this fucking stink. I look fucking retarded.
Chris Dill's fake. Dill. Imagine this shit just folds and then it just falls over.
What the fuck?
You see that hole? You almost dropped that dick.
Extendo dick. I think this extendo hose gotta get the fuck off my face.
Extendo hose here. Get you some hose. Now extendo squeeze.
How the fuck?
Oh no, so you're supposed to click and then pull the hose out.
No, but like, is this supposed to...
Pull out the dill.
This hose ain't fucking moving.
Dude, I got everything. Here, I'm gonna try.
Got extendo removed.
So we got the out of here.
What the fuck?
Oh, look at that!
I feel like it would have been better if Ow.
This won't electrocute me, right?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, are you sure? Cause like it's just pretty long dick style.
No. That's a sensor.
Yeah, but it's sensor mad long. Oh, I got. Never mind.
Who's that dick up there? Is that hot?
No,
Nah, never.
just let it hang like my nuts.
Let my nuts hang. Put it right there. I don't know.
Oh, on top of the oil.
Right there.
Okay. All right. Well, the one we all been sucking for. So I think you gotta pull that part this way, and then yours. There you go. And then you pull it up. And this part you bump. Pull this part up, and then you let it go. Yes. Yeah. Oh shit. Bumba. Oh shit. We're stuck. And look at that. The K&N Intake is not out. Alright, well, we did all this type of stuff. We forgot to record, but we put this air intake in there now.
What, the air intake? That's a tube.
The tubular and testimonies.
That's where the specimens be going.
This is called a cold air, no intake.
Cold air. Oh. Excuse me, sir.
Shake the blood, my boss, I gotta move type shit, type dick. DSCK.
NCK.
NCK. Nsk.
Nicaragua. Excuse me. Anyway.
What the fuck?
Alright. I installed the new intake. I don't know if the hood's gonna close. We're gonna figure that out. We might have to like bump this a bunch, but Andrew had to go and get new tires for his G37. Alright, the K&N cold air intake for the 350Z, which is also obviously fits a G35 because same engine, same transmission, same chassis, same whatever. I mean, the inside of this looks like the inside of the 350Z. So here we are. I just turned it on. So I finished the job, I turned it on. I'm letting it warm up to see. There's no check engine light. As you can see, 104K miles. Not bad for a G35, especially a 2004. Obviously the TPMS sensor is on because of course BQs and their TPMS sensor going off. My airbag, fuck that shit. Anyways, let's hear the idle. I like cars and I know stuff about cars and how they work and stuff like that, but I don't know how to like actually work on an engine. But I know how they work. Gonna see if everything's in place. Not gonna lie, that sounded a little bit louder. Or maybe I'm not used to hearing my car with the windows down, because I'm always playing music. But everything seems in place. The straps are on. I ain't gonna lie, that sounds deeper. That sounds deeper and louder. I ain't gonna lie, like I'm not making that up. I'm not an expert at this, so I'm not. If you came to this video to learn how to do this, wrong video, because I'm a retard. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I know this is an engine block. That's an air filter. I want to change the throttle body. Get an engine spacer, because I know these two cylinders don't get as much air, so I want an engine spacer. And then I want ISR headers and then a motor down exhaust. So those are the only bolt-ons I want. Intake, which is K&N, and they're good. A bigger throttle body, an engine spacer, ISR headers, and then a motor dyne exhaust. As you know, motor dyne sound amazing. Make it sound like a GTR. And honestly, after that, I'll probably be pushing like 330, 350 horsepower around there, maybe more. But honestly, this car is quick enough stock. I just wanted to reach the 300s. This says it adds 10 horsepower, but obviously I don't trust that. So I'm thinking maybe 5, you know, half of it. It says 10 horsepower, 10 torque. Even came the graph and shit. But I'm thinking maybe 5. Thing to know about the JDM original, the Skyline version of this car in Japan. Taillights, the red color is lighter. It's always a lighter color if you get the JDM version. So it's a lighter red, and the turn signals are orange. So this has orange turn signals. And obviously, as you can see, even on camera, you can tell this is the lighter red. Like the stock tails are like red like that. Like dark. This is nice and light. So this is authentic Japanese. My headlights are not authentic, but I didn't like the originals. Let's see if the hood closes, I ain't gonna lie. I have a feeling that it's not gonna close. Yo, shit, it did. This shit did close, alright. I know it's automatic. I'm gonna manual swap it also, but that's gonna be towards the end. I'm 19, I bought this as an 18-year-old. Alright, I don't got money like that. Car's acting normal. Alright, we out. See ya.